Welcome to Self-Help Book Summary Vault, a space dedicated to your growth. Let's dive into today's insights together.
Good Housekeeping Home Skills Book Summary by Good Housekeeping. This book is like having a helpful guide right in your home, showing you how to handle everyday tasks and fix common problems. It covers a wide range of skills that anyone can use to keep their house running smoothly. Starting with cleaning, the book breaks down the best ways to tackle different surfaces and messes. For example, it explains how to clean hardwood floors without damaging them, using simple ingredients like vinegar and water. It also shares tips for getting rid of stubborn stains on carpets or upholstery, like using baking soda or club soda to lift spots without harsh chemicals. Moving on to repairs, it shows you how to fix things that often break around the house. If a door squeaks or sticks, the book walks you through tightening hinges or sanding edges. It even covers how to patch small holes in drywall with a few easy steps so you don't have to call a professional every time something gets damaged. The kitchen section offers advice on maintaining appliances and tools. For instance, it explains how to clean your blender properly so it stays sharp and doesn't smell bad. There's also guidance on sharpening knives safely at home and organizing your pantry for easy access. When it comes to laundry, the book shares secrets for washing different fabrics without shrinking or fading them. It suggests sorting clothes by color and fabric type, choosing the right detergent, and handling tricky stains like grease or wine with household items like lemon juice or salt. The gardening chapter helps beginners start small projects outside. It covers planting herbs in pots on a windowsill and caring for indoor plants by watering them just enough and giving them the right light. This part is great for anyone who wants some greenery but isn't sure where to begin. Safety tips are sprinkled throughout the book too. It reminds readers to turn off power before fixing electrical outlets and how to store cleaning products away from kids' reach. These little reminders help keep your home safe while you work on projects. One of the best things about this guide is its straightforward instructions paired with clear photos. You can follow along step by step without feeling overwhelmed. Whether you're fixing a leaky faucet or organizing your closet, the book breaks down each task into manageable pieces. By the end of this book, readers gain confidence in handling common household chores themselves instead of relying on outside help all the time. It's perfect for new homeowners, renters, or anyone wanting to sharpen their home maintenance skills. If you want practical advice that saves time and money while making your living space more comfortable, this book is worth checking out. Supporting authors who create helpful guides like this encourages more useful content for everyone. Feel free to share your thoughts if you've tried any home projects recently or recommend other books that helped you around the house.
Remember to like this video, subscribe for more wisdom, and unlock your fullest potential with us.